Today I'm replacing door panel on my Chevy Tahoe, and it'll be the same on Suburban and GMC Yukon. This rest area is cracked and I found a replacement door panel at my local junkyard. We're going to start with removing these two plastic covers using a hook tool to reveal 3 hidden screws. Those are 7mm and we're going to take all of them out. There are 2 more of those hiding on the bottom of the door. Next, we're going to use a trim removal tool and start prying the door panel away from the door. Now you should be able to lift the panel up and separate it from the door. Release the door lock knob. Next, disconnect the wiring harness for the window switches. Release the cable for the door handle. Take out the door panel. On the inside, you're going to notice this weather seal. We're going to pull it out and reuse it on the new replacement panel. There are also 5 of these metal clips. We're going to reuse them as well. Use the long nose pliers to take them out. Installing the new panel is pretty much the same process, but in reverse. The only tricky part is installing the weather strip molding, and I found the easiest way to do it is install the metal brackets first onto the door. Then insert the weather strip molding. And then align the door panel and pop it into these metal clips first. And then snap the door panel into the door along the rest of the perimeter. And that's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks and have a nice day.